Black Friday sales are in full swing, and here are a few items that you might want to get your hands on while the sales are still on. First up is anything with dramatic feathers like this, or this, as well as some more subtle options like this, or this. Feathers were pretty big last year and they're definitely here to stay, which I love because something like this I think is a perfect option for a Christmas party. Something else that's been huge, and I'm sure you're aware thanks to Balenciaga, are studded boots and bags. These babies are not cheap unfortunately, so the Black Friday sales might be your best chance to get your hands on one of these. Baggy jeans similar to these, and these have been huge lately, and I'm not sure for how long they're going to be around, but you can never go wrong with a good pair of denim, and I think Levi's are currently having 40% off some of their denim, so definitely check it out. Something else that I think you might want to have a look at is anything with big bows. Similarly to feathers, they've been around already last year, but I feel like this year they're going to be bigger than ever, and they're perfect for the festive season. And in case you're not the biggest fan of huge bows, you can go for something a little bit smaller like this that's attached to your blouse or shirt, or something like this that's even smaller like a little hair accessory. And of course I had to mention tennis skirts because, as you know, your girl has been literally obsessing over them. I think they're just super cute and a perfect way to add a little bit more femininity into anyone's wardrobe. And as long as you have a good pair of fleece tights, you have nothing to fear this winter.